1. What is webinar? A webinar is a seminar/workshop conducted on the internet. Webinars are commonly used in sales, promoting and marketing, education sectors, or employee training sessions. Webinars are likewise called video conferences, web conferences, and webcasts. They permit users in various parts of the world to see, hear, interact with the presenters, ask questions, and respond to. 2. How many events can I host on the o-Connect platform? o-Connect permits you to create as many events as you need in your record. You can schedule and prepare hundreds of events and have them accessible on your dashboard. You are likewise ready to choose the type of your upcoming event. 3. Can I organize only one event at a time? You can put together only one event at a time, meaning that the events cannot overlap yet can be hosted consistently. 4. What technology does o-Connect use? The audio-video technology that o-Connect uses is WebRTC and HTML5 technology. It is the best quality that connects the browser with o-Connect continuously. This technology not just makes your work with the application smooth and significantly more comfortable at the same time. Most importantly, it delivers your webinar audience razor-sharp audio-video quality. 5. Can o-Connect be integrated with social media platforms? Indeed, it very well may be integrated with YouTube and Facebook. 6. How to create a webinar. Registered users can create and organize webinars soon after logging in from the Schedule menu to create webinar options. 7. How to add attendees. Registered users can add participants and presenters after creating event subtitles and click on Create and Invite, which will prompt adding participants and presenters. 8. Is it possible to limit access to an event room? You can create a password to secure event rooms, so just participants with the password can join. 9. Can attendees register for my event? Indeed, they can, yet you need to enable it when creating an event. 9. Can attend? Indeed, they can, yet you need to enable it when creating an event.
10. Can I redirect my attendees to a website after the registration? Indeed, you can redirect your participants to your thank you page or any landing page by entering a URL in the Call to Action tab. 11. How can I reschedule the event? Users can go to the Past Events segment. Click on the action and edit the event's details. 12. How do I resend an invitation? Anytime you modify an event, the framework prompts you with the alternative of resending the invitation. 13. How to enter a permanent room. While making a webinar after login in or navigating from the Schedule menu Create Webinar, we have chosen Access Type. If the user chooses Open to All, then that respective webinar will be accessible for all invitees at all times. If the user chooses Password, the user needs to give a password for that webinar, and all participants will enter into that webinar by providing the same password. 14. You'll require the URL of the webinar room. Click on it or paste it into the browser address bar to go to the webinar room. 15. How to sound. After you sign into the webinar room, click the settings on the right side of the window. Move the switch by use camera and use microphone to the on position and choose your gadgets. 16. The room for everyone? Yes. We have an option to make a room open to all. 17. Audience? Yes. We have an option to make a room password. 18. When can I schedule a meeting? You can schedule a meeting quickly or later by blocking the calendar. 19. There are two types of meetings: permanent meetings and temporary meetings. 20. In a meeting, who is a presenter? The individual who has access to the present is a presenter. Can a participant be a presenter? Yes, The access is provided by the host. 22. Can I share a file during a presentation? Yes, you can share the documents during the presentation. 23. Can I add an attendee in the middle of the meeting? Yes, you have an alternative option to send an invitation in the middle of a meeting. 24. Do we have an option to conduct meeting with various participants? Yes, our tool is built to conduct meetings with one-to-one or many.
25. Can a participant start a meeting? No, participants are not approved and authorized to start the meeting. Instead, they will wait in the room. No one but the host can begin the meeting.
What is the maximum number of attendees participate in a meeting? Unlimited attendees can participate in a meeting. 27. Can I join the meeting once it is started? You can join the meeting if the meeting is open. 28. Who has the right to lock a meeting? The host has the authority to lock or unlock a meeting. 29. Yes, we have a choice to communicate and broadcast the video. If we are stuck with o-creat, how do we come to know about the logical flow of o-creat? We have a support team working to answer the user queries, and you will also find many details the on user's manual related to the o-creat.